Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reset Windows 11 to the default Windows settings. And for this we go to Start and then we go to Settings. And then from here we click on System and then we scroll down to Recovery. Then right here we click on Recovery, and there at Recovery Options we have the option right here to reset this PC. So right now if I click here on Reset PC, we have the option to keep my files or remove everything. So yeah, choose what you want. I want to keep my files. Then after this, he is getting things ready. And then he will ask us if he wants to cloud download or local reinstall. Now, doesn't matter for me, but let's say we want to do a local reinstall, restore apps and settings which came with this PC and reinstall Windows from this PC. Then we do next. And then right now, this is the end. So right now, if you click here on reset, we will reset our PC. But these are the notes that you need to keep in mind, like change settings back to the defaults, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from device, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. And then two little notes. This will take a while and your PC will restart. BitLocker drive encryption will be temporarily suspended until the process is done. Now we click on cancel, but this is exactly how you can reset your Windows 11 to the default settings. Alright, for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.